Imagine you're in one of these sun loungers next to the pool when a staff member comes over to remind you that your reservation downstairs begins in just 1 hour. At Nobu. Yeah, that Nobu. Our broker Winnie Cow over at MVPVietnam.com knew exactly what she was doing to bring us to a unit with floor-to-ceiling views perched along the East Sea, looking all the way down the Central Coast to the UNESCO World Heritage Site that is Hoi An. And stick with me just for a moment, I'll show you some more impressive views on the other side of this unit. But look at the furnishings, the finish out. Everything chosen to perfectly reflect the Nobu lineage and experience. And exactly how we're touring this unit is exactly how it'll be delivered to you upon purchase. It comes completely furnished, ready for you to enjoy and stay. All you have to do is bring a suitcase and a toothbrush. Don't bring anything else. I'll tell you why in a moment. Again, looking up that same central coastline to the north, we see Sun Tra, we see Monkey Mountain, as well as Lin Ung. That's the Lady Buddha statue and the sun rising over this ocean every single morning. Now, I told you it was a Nobu restaurant, a Nobu hotel, and a Nobu Residences, but it might as well be Nobu Spa. Look at this bathroom. I mean, the bathrooms here are just incredible. Great place to get ready for the mornings or in the evenings. Now, this is a 43-story tower, so there's going to be 200 guest rooms, 18 suites, 270 residences in the studio, 1-bed, 2-bed, and 3-bed configuration. They range roughly from 400 to 4,000 square feet. They're priced in between about 200,000, and they top that market at a roughly 2.7 million. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath that we're currently touring, and it was priced right at $660,000 US. And even with everything that you are seeing here, there's so much more that you're not seeing, like the Sky Gym, the Health Treatment Center, the rooftop Sky Bar and restaurant, the beach club, and as well as the heated swimming pool that we saw earlier. But let's not forget the world-renowned Nobu restaurant just downstairs. There is something a little different about this property that I haven't shared with you just yet, and I'd be interested to hear your thoughts and leave them in the comments for me, but this property is actually on a mandatory 10-year rental program. And what that means is that even as an owner, you can't live here full time, not for 10 years. They actually break it down into a points system. Each owner is given 45 points. And how this works is, it costs you 1 point for a weekday stay, 1.5 points for a weekend stay, 3 points for a holiday stay. Now, you can give 15 of your points to whomever you choose, but the owners must keep 30 points no matter what. Now, if you've been paying attention, yes, you probably know by now that this is on a revenue share program. There is a guarantee return for the first 2 years, and if I recall correctly, that was about 6%. No mention of the remaining 8 years. And again, can't move in until that 10th year. And that seems a little interesting to me. Not sure how I feel about it. But again, I'm interested in what you have to say. And as I always ask in each one of my property tour videos, let me know, would you live here